So I bought this ONGREDIENTS Skin Barrier Calming Lotion because I hear so many good things about it. So let me just open it up, show you what it looks like. So I got the bigger bottle because I have a feeling that I'm just gonna fall in love with this. I've never tried it before, but I see it being used all the time by Koreans. And if you know anything about skincare and Koreans, that is what they're known for. They're all about making sure your skin is prepped and hydrated before they even start on your makeup. And a lot of the ingredients they use is not thick. It's really all about layering. It's just, you have thin layers stacked on top of each other to prep your skin and have that nice glass skin that I want. So looks like you have this in here. We'd have to open it up to get to it, so we'll just do that. So one thing about this is how thin it is, and so it's not going to feel like you're caking things on it. So that's going to be nice for when I put my makeup on, and I really like the smooth feeling as I'm trying it out on my hand. Look at that, it's not thick and it's not greasy at all, so I don't feel like my makeup is going to slide around. So that's what it looks like so far. My skin feels really nice and smooth. So I think this is going to be great for someone who wants the hydration without the thick feeling on their face, and someone who wants that glass looking skin with their makeup. So if you're in the market for a new face lotion, you should definitely check this one out.